Hey guys, something's been on my mind for a while, and I wanted to share. My sister was going camping with some friends, and they were a little bit more seasoned, and she wanted to kind of play catch up. Started asking some questions about camping, camp setup, tarps, things to consider, and so we started sharing information. And in that process, she turns and looks at me and goes, "You seem to be a natural at sharing this kind of information." That there's probably an audience that would be interested in hearing more about camping and camp setups, and so that thought's been on my mind for quite some time, 4 or 5 years now. And I finally gotten to a point where I think I'm ready to do this. So I'm going to blame this on my sister. It's all her fault, but I also want to thank her for planting the seed, because I think as I've given it time to really blossom, it really turned out to be a good idea. So with that, I'm going to give you a little background. Boy Scout, when I was a kid, got my Eagle, a lot of camping trips, a lot of backwoods ventures, primitive style camping. Really enjoyed that. Then later I got involved as a Boy Scout leader for 19 years and got my wood badge during that time period. And was focused on outdoor program and training other scoutmasters to run program, keep programs fresh, keep things moving. A lot of give and take in information, in those scenarios. So you learn as the questions come in. So questions from different perspectives cause you to look at other aspects. So kind of looking forward to learning from you as I share information with you. So as we go forward, I'm creating a channel. It's called Tarp Nation Camping Adventures, and I'm going to be covering the beginning steps of camping. The decision to go camping, I applaud. I really do appreciate the fact that you want to go camping. But then your next question is, well, where do I start? Well, this is where we start. We're going to be starting at number one and working all the way through. So basics, we're going to layer this cake. We're going to cover quite a bit of information as the time rolls by. So just bear with me. I look forward to working with you, and you have a wonderful day.